Ever had a secret so exciting, you just can't share it yet? Or maybe there's a little drama in your group chats you'd rather keep private. With OPPO, protecting your privacy is simple. Introducing App Lock and Hide app, tools that secure your personal world. To enable App Lock, head to Settings, select Security and Privacy, then tap on App Lock. For quick access, enable fingerprint or face unlock from the menu options in the top corner. Now, let's move on to hiding apps and follow the mentioned steps. This feature keeps your private apps away from prying eyes. Tap on Settings to set access code to open hidden apps. Set access code. Tap Done. You can access hidden apps using an access code on the dial pad or through the Hide Apps icon on your home screen. Thank you for watching. Secure your apps and enhance your privacy.
To get more updates, hit like, follow and subscribe.